Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb, a screwdriver, and gloves. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. It's also wise to consult your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your specific model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight. You'll typically find the assembly located behind the front bumper. Look for any retaining clips or screws that secure it in place and remove them. Once these are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action provides the necessary space to work on the bulb itself without obstruction. With the assembly accessible, it's time for the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Then, carefully twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. When installing the new bulb, handle it by the base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan, so gloves are highly recommended here. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical connector. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it functions correctly. If it works, you're almost done. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, carefully secure the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring all clips and screws are tightened. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.